I just want to run my fingers through this curly hair. I don't think he wants me to, though. Hey. Hey. I just want to pet ya. Annie! Why are you following us? She's very determined. We have some creep feed that's at the back of here, and she is food motivated, but she's not getting it. I just hope she stops at the cattle guard. Bye! Got a little bit of a mountain there he could get up on. Oh, Dwight, always wanting to be the king. Well, hello. Dwight, I know you want to be king, but Elsa is queen. And I think that that trumps you. She's a lot bigger and has big horns.
And a big tongue.
A big wet tongue.
Hey,
just get that cookie in there.
Ridiculous.
Get that cookie in there.
Oh, hi, Pepper. Pepper, you want a cookie?
Pepper, you want a cookie?
Come on.
You know you do.
Come see us.
We love you, Pepper. Even though you want to kill us. So many cows. And what are these guys? Stan, don't do it. Don't spit on me. Okay.
Big old gator. Max.
You gonna be fixing fence? Oh, Mac.
Yeah, we got it on camera.
Hi, handsome. Your curls are looking good today.
Yeah, they're growing in for
Gosh.
the winter.
Hey.
He's getting his winter hair back.
Mm-hmm. Here.
Come here, Pepper.
Let me scratch your head. Come here. Let me scratch. Come here. Come on, let me get the weeds off of you. Hi, Elsa. See, here, Mac. Here, Mac. Oh my gosh.
Pepper wants to.
Struggle. Oh, Pepper.
Come on, Pepper. Wonder how many people hand feeds their cattle? Treats.
I don't know.
Full-size cattle. I don't.
Elsa. My goodness. Elsa. That's it, Mama.
Who shocks me that's not as friendly anymore?
Who?
Cora.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Cora?
And Rue is really friendly. And she was never halter trained.
I think I had one on her once. No?
Yeah, I don't
probably
know.
not.
She just was already past the point when we bought her. Oh, Cindy likes them too.
Come on.
Oh, Fergie.
Here, give these guys some. I'll try to get Fergus.
Mac. Oh, I love Mac's winter curly hair.
Oh, Fergus.
Oh, Ruby.
We got Fergie.
There's Ruby girl. There's Ruby.
That's like Fergus.
Go on, Burgess.
On a half is on my watch.
Here, let me come down here with some. Here, Ruby. Although Ruby's not scared of the cows. Yeah, I know, there's some slobber. My hands probably stink. Anna, you hear your baby? Archie? You remember you had a baby?
Hi.
Ooh. You mad, Ruby? You mad that we're giving the cows your treats? Here, Ruby. Here, Ruby. I'm sorry. They like them too. Come here, Ruby girl. Come here, Ruby girl. Come here. Come here. Oh, I just want to run my fingers through this curly hair. I don't think he wants me to, though. Hey. Hey. I just want to pet ya. Can I pet ya without having food?
He lets you.
Yeah. Come here. Hey. I just gonna scratch. There. See? I wasn't trying to grab you, mess with you. There. I know that's your itchy spot. Here. Pay as you go here. You gotta pay a little.
Pay to play?
A little.
Is that what it's called?
Pay a little, scratch a little. Pay a little. Oh, and you know. And then scratch a little. I love your curly hair. You're just looking so handsome. Elsa. Oh, goodness.
It's funny how he won't do anything to Ruby.
Oh, I know.
He knows.
She's not scared of him. He is a tank, Flint.
I know. Oh my
gosh.
goodness. Mac, really?
Warren, if you're watching this, we'll take care of the fence, Warren. All right, we got pig type fencing to work on. Okay, y'all. We need to lay eyes on Roni.
Yeah.
He didn't come over. Make sure he's still a-kicking. The leaves are turning. Well, let's talk about the Crocker class. We never got back to that.
Want to talk about me? Want to talk about I? Want to talk about...
I got my own personal jukebox right here.
Number one, oh mommy, my. He's alive.
There he is.
He's alive.
Let's give him a couple cookies.
I don't have them yet.
They're back here on my side. Just pull up. So the class was good. I learned a lot. I was inspired.
I learned all sorts of good stuff about the Crockers I can use against them.
That was not the the idea behind the class. We got to meet a couple channels.
We did.
And I was...
Growing Addiction with Nick.
Yeah. in
And-
our Okie homestead.
Yeah, and somebody who wants to do a channel.
Yes. And I was inspired by them. Here.
Roni, are you deaf?
Hey, he likes this Bermuda, I guess. Hey, you want a cookie? Getting his winter coat on too.
You getting grayer?
Well, probably. He's getting up there. He's living his golden years here. Retirement.
Mama, hold my remote.
Your remote? Okay.
Don't.
So, grilling addiction with Nick. He's not too far from us.
No, he lives right down the road.
Under an hour.
We'll have to have him over to grill for us.
I know.
That's blue.
That's blue. That is blue over there. And Marie, she's down in southeastern Oklahoma.
McCurtain County. Yeah, McCurtain.
Yeah. Jason seemed like he had been teaching classes for a long time.
Yeah, you did a good job.
He did. He had some donuts and orange juice and water for everybody.
No, the vodka first thing in the morning was needed, but it helped.
Oh gosh. Flint tried to keep it toned down, his smart aleck responses. He kept it at a minimum. But
I did good. I don't think I had any at a
okay.
minimum.
You gave him a little bit of crap, but it's because you really like him.
What did I give him crap for?
I don't remember.
I think you're making that up. I don't think you appreciate
Maybe it was
that.
me.
I
Maybe
don't
it was
think
me. I gave him crap about what he said. I was
Yeah,
going to write down
yeah.
everything he said about Danielle when she wasn't there and send it to her.
you don't appreciate I can be a normal human being. Normal. I can be normal.
Okay. Are you trying to convince me or you?
I can be normal.
Okay.
Smart, intelligent, and by golly, people
Important.
like me.
You're important.
No,
What's that little saying from
That's
the help?
off of the help.
I like
I'm
that.
talking about Saturday Night Live.
Oh, I don't know about that. I haven't seen that for years. Okay. Anyways, I give Jason an A+ as a teacher.
Oh.
Good job, Jason.
Okay, Bubba. I'm ready. Ready? Okay, carry it. Ugh.
It's so heavy.
It is so heavy.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping, though.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go right over here.
He's a good helper, Daddy. Building a pig pen. Well, we're trying to close up all the spots so these little piggies don't run off. Because they got out yesterday when we were letting them.
This is going to be an issue right here, too.
I know. We're going to just...
We could drive a couple stakes down in it,
Okay.
right? Would that do it?
Bendy?
Or do we need to fill it in with rock?
Oh, yeah. See, the problem is when we have a gully washer, that's where all the water goes like crazy. We used to have a drainage tube, but it just washed out.
Is that going to work?
No, I think they're still going to go under that.
Oh, look at Joy and Bendy.
Jet, back up for a second, buddy. Well, we're trying to make it to where Bendy, she doesn't want to play tag. Joy doesn't play tag with you. Goober. It's really dark. You have to go poop? I think Poppy does too. Poppy was running. You have to potty? Okay. Poppy was running and farting. And then we made fun of him and he got mad. We ran out of daylight, Junos.